Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Kia K5 LXS. Just the step just above the base LX. Still a very nice vehicle. Still has remote start. All the features you would come to know and love for $26,000. Love this color, glacial white pearl. You can just see the flake in that. All right, turn that down just a little bit. Oh yeah, you might be wondering, how come I'm in drive and not going anywhere? No, it's not because the parking brake's engaged. Actually, it sort of is. So, a feature on the 2021 K5, even in this base model, is auto hold. So, with it turned off right now, if you were to release your brake at a stoplight, you're going to start moving forward. With it engaged, turn it on, it holds the brakes for you. Pretty cool idea. Definitely something that I personally love. To disengage it, all you gotta do is just press the gas. And then to re-engage, come to a stop. It's already engaged. What's nice is, even though this is basically the base model, you still have remote start here on the key fob. It's still a really nice key fob, chrome accents, and you just hold that button there for your remote start. I'm a huge fan of this engine, the 1.6 liter turbo, right about 190 horsepower, I do believe, but it does pull very nicely. Love that auto hold. You also have steering assist, which we'll demonstrate once we get up onto the highway. So now that the lane lines are more distinct, you can well, you're not supposed to take your hands off the wheel. It's more to it's like an additional lane keep assist. It's more along the lines of if you have to reach something, basically it's like your friend holding the wheel for you. Brakes are great. No complaints. This is an awesome car. This is kind of the trim level you'll probably see in rental fleets a lot. Of course, because the K5 replaces the Optima, which I'm driving an Optima next. Because I film like 8 cars a day. It's a lot, but you know what? I love it. I love doing it. So that's all that matters to me. Like I was saying, this is the one you'll probably see in rental fleets, this or the LX. If I got handed this as a rental car, I'll be completely honest, I've never rented a car before for myself, because I just turned 21 a couple weeks ago. But if I got handed the keys to this as a rental car, that I would not complain. while your steering wheel is rubberized plastic, the top part of the dash is still leather wrapped, or leather. It's very good looking, let me put it that way. Because, you know, I say one thing, even though people probably understand what I was talking about, I'll still get the comment, well, it's not leather, it's actually like rubberized plastic, and it's like, oh, come on. A lot of people are nitpicky on YouTube. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all once I get the cap cover in the next one.